Monitech, leading name for industrial display solutions in the world market today. Proudly providing solutions for all your industrial display needs for hundreds of legacy controllers. Visit us at monitech.com. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Chris from Monitech. Today we're going to talk about the Okuma OSP 5000, 5020, and the Okuma 7000. Now, what we have in front of us is the Okuma OSP 5020, and this is basically the inside of it. It has a 12-inch color CRT monitor, or it has a 12-inch monochrome CRT monitor. There's two types, and that goes the same for all three versions. So what Monitech's done for a couple different reasons, provided a couple different options for you. So we have a complete drop-in replacement, and this is a plug-and-play monitor to replace the 12-inch color or monochrome. It comes with all the proper mounting locations. It has the curved screen, so it butts right up against the plastic molded part, and comes with a 20-pin video connector, and comes with a 10-pin edge connector, and it also has the power cable, the 3-pin or 4-pin power plug. So all this together comes out, take it out of the box, 10 minutes, it'll be installed. It takes probably about 10 minutes to uninstall, to pull the CRT monitor out of the frame. But putting it back together will take less than 10 minutes to install and plug in, and it'll work great. This is the only option available for the OSP 7000. The OSP 7000 has a bezel that's not removable, where the OSP 5000, the 5020, it has a bezel that can come off. So this one, the 5020, has the function keys. So Monitech provides additional function keys. So you throw away the bezel with the function keys, and you put this over top of it. The OSP 5000, the function keys stay exactly where they are, and the LCD monitor goes on. So this is the LCD monitor, where most of the LCD monitors that Monitech provides, they bolt in from the back. This one here actually bolts in from the front. There's two clips right here. They clip on the bottom, and then it'll slide in place, and there's a mounting clip on the top here, and it just thumb screws, tightens into place, and there, it won't move at all. And it also comes with the proper video connectors, the same 20-pin connector, 10-pin edge connector, and the 4-pin power plug, and bolts all in place. This also is very quickly to install. I've done one myself. The whole process, disassembled to reassemble, and take me 8 minutes. And so maybe if it's your first time doing it, it might take you 20 minutes. But once you get, if you do have a whole bunch of them to do, you get faster and faster. It's not worth your time trying to repair these things anymore. They're so old, and might as well. The LCD puts a nice finish to the front, and the customer won't have any problems, or you won't have any problems with your control for years and years to come. So you have the LCD form fit plug and play replacement, and then you have this one specifically for the 5000 and the 5020 LCD monitor. Bolts in super quick, nice and easy. And if you have any questions, you can go to www.monitech.com, and they can give you a hand if you need help. And if you Monitech usually has the product in stock. It's usually available to ship next day. Anywhere in North America, outside of North America, it might take an extra day for shipping. And if you need any help with it, definitely give Monitech a call. Thank you very much.